Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Cape Canaveral local and long-distance movers near me. Many do not just hire a local mover because they have the money to do it all depends on the benefits they enjoy from the service. A local move is not as simple as it sounds. You still get to plan effectively to ensure all goes well. Instead of relying on your vehicle for the packing and transporting of the items, you can get all your items to your new space on a single trip. Your Cape Canaveral local TM movers will provide the right truck to transport all your items after assisting with packing. You have to hire a Cape Canaveral long-distance mover who knows about the job well to help you through this. The mover will assist with packing, sorting, sourcing for the right packaging materials, and lots more. Then, the service also entails getting a truck to transport your items. Do not waste a lot of time searching. 3 Movers is right here. You should hire our Cape Canaveral long-distance 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cape Canaveral moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.